number our pages in our book. As you can see, the pages don't have any numbering yet. Now to start, go to insert and come here. You're going to see page number, click on that. You're going to decide exactly where you want to place your numbering. So I'm going to put it at the bottom and at the center. All right, so you can see that automatically the pages have been numbered. But the thing is, I don't want numbering on the table of content page, which is the first page. Now to take that off, just come down on the footer, click on that, and then you're going to see header and footer at the top. Click on header and footer, and then just click on different first page here. As you can see, the numbering on the first page has been taken out. So it starts numbering on the second page. But the thing is, it starts with number 2. So if I want to change that, go again to header and footer and go to page number here, go to format page number, and then come here, click on start at, and then we're going to turn it down to 0 and then click OK. And you can see that it starts the numbering from the second page. However, in case you want to start numbering on a different page, any other random page, let's say, for example, this book, I want the numbering to start on page number 5 here. So instead of 5, it should start on 1. So that is where our page numbering should start. So what we're going to do is to add sections to the page before the page that we want to start our numbering on. To turn on the section breaks, so you're going to put your cursor on page number 4 right now, and then go to home and then click the paragraph tool, and you're going to see exactly where all the paragraph starts and ends. You're going to see where page breaks starts and ends right here. Place your cursor there and then go to layout and then click on breaks, and then you're going to see section breaks here. Click next page. So our section break has been added. So if you take a look at the different pages right here, so you can see that the page number 5 doesn't have any more numbering again. You can see it starts numbering on the next page, which is 1, 2. So the reason is because during our numbering, when we started numbering, we excluded the first page, which is our table of content page. As you can see, there's no numbering on our table of content, and there's also no numbering on the first page here after section break. So it has created different sections, 2 different sections. So it's kind of like we have separated the first 4 pages from our subsequent pages. So we have 2 separate sections right now in our book, so we can work with them separately. All right, so start our numbering on the page that we want. So I'm going to bring my cursor down here and then go to header and footer, and then turn this off different first page so that numbering starts on our first pages. So you can see on our table of content and on this page, we start on the first page. So go to page number, go to format page number, come here, and then we're going to start 1. Okay, so you can see that it has turned that 0 now to 1. It was first of all 0. You can see it starts at 1. So our pages now have been numbered. However, we don't want numbering on the first 4 pages, as you can see at the top. So I'm going to bring my cursor here. When I click on this and then I type in, you can see automatically it happens on all the other pages. It affects all the other pages, but we don't want that. Now, remember that we have created 2 separate sections, but why does this still affect our next section? So the reason is because, I'm going to go back. Now, the reason is because of this, same as previous. So we'll need to turn this off so that it does, whatever happens at the footer and the header doesn't affect our section. So go to header and footer and click on link to previous. When you turn that off, you can see that we can now adjust this one. Just put your cursor there and then click when you type, let's just type in something. You can see that it doesn't affect the next section. Okay, so we can just click our back button and then delete this number. You can see that the numbering have been deleted from our 4 pages at the top, and then our numbering now starts automatically on our page number 5. Another thing is, if in case you don't want to use the numbering 1, 2, 3 as your numbering on your pages, maybe you want to number alphabetically or using the Roman numeral. So what you're going to do, put a cursor at the footer, then go to header and footer. We're going to come here, page number, go to format page number, and right at the top here you can see the different options. So I'm going to select ABC and click OK. You can see that our numbering have changed to alphabetical numbering. So that's another tip that I just wanted to throw in there. So in case you want to change your numbering style.
All right, guys, so we have finally come to the end of this video. And if you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to hit the thumbs up button and also share the video to those you know it might help them. And if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, please hit that subscribe button to join the family so that you get notified every time we upload a video tutorial. Right? So see you in the next video and stay blessed.